Hello kids. In the last video we learned about Bengaluru. In this video we are going to learn about Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the joint capital of the state of Andhra Pradesh as well as the newly formed state of Telangana. The name of Hyderabad is derived from two words, Hyder meaning lion and Abad means home, that is home of the lion. This city was found in 1591 by Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah, a ruler of the Mughal Empire. It is also called the city of Nawabs. Today, Hyderabad is home of many major IT and biopharmaceutical companies. Since it is a major IT hub, it is called the Cyberabad. Hyderabad is the joint capital. Hyderabad is the joint capital of the state of Andhra Pradesh as well as newly formed state Telangana. Hyderabad is the joint capital of the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The name of Hyderabad is derived from the two words. Hyder means lion. Hyder means lion. Abad meaning home. Abad means home. Hyder means lion. Abad means tiger. Hyderabad is derived. The name of Hyderabad is derived from two words. Hyder means lion. Abad means home. Home of lion. Hyderabad means home of lion. This city was found in 1591. This city was found in 1591 by Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah. Hyderabad was found in 1591 by Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah, a ruler of Mughal Empire. Who was Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah? Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah was a ruler of Mughal Empire. It is called the city of Nawab. Hyderabad is called as city of Nawabs. Today Hyderabad is home of IT, biopharmaceutical companies. Today Hyderabad is home of many major IT parks, biopharmaceutical companies. Since it is a major IT hub and it is called as a Cyberabad. Hyderabad is called as a Cyberabad. Understood, no kids? Now location of Hyderabad and climate of the Hyderabad. Hyderabad is located on the Deccan Plateaus along the bank of river of Musi. It enjoys a pleasant climate varying from the hot to pleasant summer and from a pleasant to cold winter. The city receives rains between June and September. Look in this map, kids. Location of Hyderabad. Hyderabad is located on the Deccan Plateaus. Hyderabad is located on the Deccan Plateaus along the banks of the river Musi. It enjoys pleasant climate, varying from hot to pleasant summers and from pleasant to cold winter. The city receives rains between June and September. This city, Hyderabad city, receives rains between June and September. The climate of the Hyderabad is pleasant climate, varying from hot to pleasant in summer and from pleasant to cold in cold winter. Hot to pleasant summer and pleasant to cold winter. This city receives rains between June and September. Understood, na kids? Where is Hyderabad located and what is the climate of Hyderabad? Now next see life of people. Life of people of the Hyderabad. Telugu and Urdu are the most widely spoken languages in Hyderabad. The city's food specialties include the biryani, halim, and the khubani means apricot. Khubani ka meetha. Next on the page. Top IT companies like Google, Microsoft have their headquarters in this city. The Telugu films industries is also based here. Hyderabad is also known for its diamonds and pearl jewelries. Language of the Hyderabad is Telugu and Urdu. Most of these people speaking in Telugu. Their spoken language is Telugu and Urdu. Their special food are biryani, halim, khubani ka meetha. Next, most of top IT companies have their like Google, Microsoft have their headquarters in where? In Hyderabad. Telugu film industry is based here. Hyderabad is also known for its diamond and pearl jewelry. Hyderabad is famous for diamond and pearl jewelries. Do you know this is the Mughlai food, IT industries, rice pearls, Telugu film industries and diamond. Do you know many famous jewelries like Kohinoor diamond, Hope diamond, Orloff diamond among the other were found in the Golconda diamond mines of Hyderabad. Kohinoor diamond, Hope diamond, Orloff diamond among other where they are found in Golconda diamond mines of Hyderabad. Tourist attraction. You can see a major influences of Mughal art, architecture in old buildings and forts in Hyderabad. Its a rich and glorious history can be seen through its historical monuments. The Golconda Fort was the capital of the ancient kingdom of the Golconda. The fort is an engineering marvel known for its acoustics. If you stand below the entrance dome of the Golconda Fort and the clap, the sound can be heard at the topmost point of the pavilion, almost a kilometer away. These acoustics were useful for giving a warning signals in case of an attack. Tourist attractions. We can see a major influences of Mughal art, architecture in old buildings. Where we see the Mughal art and architecture in old buildings and forts in Hyderabad. We can see Mughal art, Mughal architecture in old buildings and the forts in Hyderabad. Its a rich and glorious history can be seen through its historical monuments. The Golconda Port was a capital of the ancient kingdom of Golconda. Golconda Port was the capital of the ancient kingdom of Golconda. The fort is an engineering marvel known for its acoustics. If you stand below the entrance, below the entrance dome of the Golconda Port and clap, the sound can be heard at the top. The sound can heard the topmost point of the pavilion, almost a kilometer away. These acoustics were useful for giving a warning signals in case of an attack. Understood, na kids? Golconda Port, how it is there? Now, the popularity of Charminar makes it synonymous with Hyderabad. This was built in 1591 AD and gets its name for the four beautiful minarets or towers. Why the Charminar gets its name as a Charminar? Charminar was built in 1591 AD and gets its name for Charminar for beautiful minarets or towers. There are four. In that Charminar has four towers or beautiful four minarets. So it gets a Charminar. Next, find out why was the Charminar built? Why was the Charminar built? Anybody know? Why was the Charminar built? Sultan Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah, the 15th ruler of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, built Charminar in 1591 AD, shortly after he had shifted his capital from Golconda to today's Hyderabad. Qutub Shah shifted his capital from Golconda to today's Hyderabad. He built the famous structure of commemorates and elimination of the plague epidemic from this city. Understood, no kids? Why was the Charminar built? Next, the Qutub Shahi tomb are a blend of Hindus and Persian styles of the architecture. A huge statue of the Gautama Buddha that stands in the middle of the Hussain Sagar lake is one of the largest statues in the world. The Ramosi Film City is the largest integrated film studio in the world. Qutub Shahi tombs are a blend of Hindu and Persian styles of architecture. A huge statue of Gautama Buddha that stands in the middle of Hussain Sagar Lake and is one of the largest statue in the world. Ramosi Film City is also one of the largest integrated film studio in the world. Ramosi Film City, Hussain Lake Sagar. Here, big statue of Gautama, huge statue of Gautama Buddha that stands middle of the Hussain Lake, Sagar Lake. Okay, now next see Nehru Zoological Park, Salranjung's museums are also important tourist attractions. Nehru Zoological Park, Salranjung Museum are the important tourist attraction places in Hyderabad. Next on the page, see famous personalities from Hyderabad. Zakir Hussain, Sham Bengal, Pulela Gopichand, VVS Lakshman, Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal are the famous personality from Hyderabad. Who are the famous personality of Hyderabad? Zakir Hussain, Sham Bengal, Pulela Gopichand, VVS Lakshman, Saina Nehwal. These all are the famous personalities from Hyderabad. Understood, no kids? Today our Hyderabad lesson learning over. Today's your homework is read the lesson carefully, learn the all new words, by heart that one and copy down in your notebook. Understood? In the next video, we are going to revise the lesson and solve the exercise. Thank you for watching the video.